my goodness. That's awesome. Oh God. I'm gonna
Sorry, there's another one up here.
I don't think 3 snow shovels.
Oh, come on.
Okay, I'm gonna go high, you go at the base. But don't go over your head. Okay? It's like, whatever. Backwards, we're like, ah! Ready? Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Let's try to spray it. Oh, right, yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Wait a minute.
Just I'm gonna do this one, Tab.
Yes.
Where are you going? Oh, 3 snow shovels.
Are you still videoing?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. So,
Well, I'm standing back.
yeah.
Okay, I've got more.
You go for the height,
Down.
I'll go for the base, and you go for the width.
Down.
But I gotta spray this way, because I want it to okay, behind me, and I'll go towards the base. So you just throw up. You ready for disasters? Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh! Oh, that's really burned! Oh.